sa company. No? Every month since you're here until now, nakita na ko ang effort and also dedication na gina-provide ninyo sa company, which is we are also happy na i-invest ninyo ang inyong time and also commitment, no, para sa company. And yeah, appreciate na mo, John, no? And also more thank you sa ito ginabuhat, no, on a daily basis. And let's continue to grow, to improve yourself as well, and we are also improving ourselves, our process, our system, and also what we can do for you guys, no? So yeah, and hopefully we can continue to celebrate more months or even years, no, this partnership, commitment, and family, or you call this community, no? Kay daghan pa siya mong mga plano sa inyo, and also plan po sa company to grow in the coming months or years, no? So yeah, but continue to help your team, and continue to evolve, continue to learn, kasi we are always evolving, not only us but also the clients, no, and the project, the tasks. But we really appreciate everything that you provide, no, for coming here on a daily basis, no, for spending your time here sa amo instead na naka mo sa inyong balay, and appreciate na mo, John, no. And yeah, so thank you, and hope to